Hello guys, it's currently 6:39. Is it PM? I think it's PM. I don't do English times. We're out there riding, you know, as usual. I forgot my t-shirt, don't worry about it. This is my bike. This is a Honda CBR Fireblade 1000 RR. As you can see, it's a 2006 model. It's really nice. Also, this is my first ever motovlog with the microphone on. Well, motovlog basically. Then, hey, claps for me. I tried to film yesterday, but I hear myself that I don't speak very clearly. So I thought I might do a better video where I try to speak more clearly. So if I'm talking slow or thinking, just don't mind that. It's just me trying to speak clearly. So I just had nothing to do today. I chose to get out, go for a ride, train on my wheelies, which I've been doing now for a long time. But I learned the technique, guys. You know, when I started riding, I was holding the grips like this because I'm used to fucking doing the corners, you know. But when you're gonna do wheelie, whole grip, okay? Use the whole grip because you have so much more control. So yeah, that's what I've been. When I learned that, it was so much easier. So something to keep in mind. Also, this is a 1000cc. I have never, but I had this scooter before, a 50cc scooter, but that was basically about it. Now this is a 1000cc, my first bike. Don't ever do what I do. Don't ever get a start on 1000. I wouldn't even recommend 600 for you guys. But you know, I am me. I'm stupid. Don't do me. I started on 1000. I found a good deal on the Fireblade, you know. 06, one owner, little miles. It has more miles now because I ride a lot. It's a beautiful bike, not gonna lie. Also, I have never been on these roads because I usually ride with my friend and he does not go on these roads, so this is interesting roads for me. Put the visor down. Let's see. So this is the first ever motovlog. I don't know what I'm gonna say or do. Just talk shit, I guess. Oh, it's a pothole. But I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's hopefully. Oh, it looks hella fucking nice. It's twisty as fuck. Oh, okay. Shit, that is why I don't ride on. You saw that. I don't know where that is. Threading. I know where that is. Okay, guys, don't ever gas on roads you don't know. If I would be going any faster, I would be fucked right now, okay? Like, honest to God, I would be dead. Because you saw that? Just a T. I don't, like a fucking, what do you call it? I don't know what it's called. Out of nowhere, bro. Like, I would be fucking demolished. I would be in the trees. I would become a fucking tree. That was scary. Luckily, I have good brakes. Oh, also, I just today, literally like, what is it? What's it called? 650. Oh, what was it like? Hour and a half ago, I fixed my handles because I didn't touch them at first. You know, I didn't know what to fucking do, so I just let them be. They were up here. You see my finger? They were up here, and now I just change them, so it's like whenever I'm sitting in my like racing or fucking racing position, whatever you say, and I'm like ready to go, it's my like, what's it called, forearms, my wrist is straight. Wrist, that's what it's called, English please. So it's not like up here. Also, yeah, so I saw it on TikTok. Yeah, I saw it on TikTok. The guy talked about it. So, ouch, fucking bugs, my man. Ah, my eye. Yeah, I saw a TikTok. A guy talked about it. He said don't ever ride without fixing your what's it called? Levers, adjust the levers, you know, because he said you wouldn't ride if you don't adjust the steering wheel. And I thought to myself, that he is fucking right. Like, I don't ever ride without adjusting someone else's car. If somebody has been in my car and they have adjusted the steering wheel, I don't ever ride if I don't adjust my steering wheel. That's the first thing I do, except the seat, you know. But this, my seat, I can move it back and forth how much as I want. So yeah, I was like, that's smart as fuck, bro. And I just went out. I was like, 2 bolts. So I just loosened them, and I just, oh, let me see, I have bugs in my helmet. I just put it down, bring it down. I sat on it, I sat on the bike, both feet off, because I had the jack thingy, you know. So I put both feet up, racing position, hold my arms, and it's a lot better, guys. I promise you. Do it. The first thing you do whenever you get a bike, adjust your levers, okay? Adjust your levers, and then you can go ride. Also, these are my brakes, bro. Let's see, first gear, no car. I'm not stopping, bro. What the fuck you think? Second, I could really hear, but there's a cars and they're watching, and you know, when people watch, I make it worse. I'm gonna slow down so I can talk to the microphone, because I think I'm going way too fast to talk. We're good to hear. So we're on the big road now, and finally, it's not that far. I could do like 2 minutes before I talk fast, or I'm gonna cut it from last time. And it is a nice road, you know. It's nice pavement. Let me see. Let me drop my bike to see if it's sunny or not. Okay, it's not sunny, so I don't think the pavement is warm enough for me to do anything stupid. Neither do I think my tires are warm enough for me to do anything stupid. So we're cruising, baby. Yeah. Also. When I say I have no electronics, I'm dead ass. I have no electronics. Like, I want a fucking cruise control. Like, imagine if I did, and now I can let it go. I'm going, oh my god, that'll be so good. But like, nothing. Not even heated groups, bro. Not even a quick shifter. I barely have a tip over sensor. Like I have a tip over sensor. But like, it's barely, bro. But it's nice. I mean, the thing is, if I don't die on this bike, then I'm gonna be good at riding any other 1000cc. Almost. This is not as fast, obviously, as the newer 1000cc, because they're obviously newer and better and more tuned and more precise. But if I can handle the raw power 1000cc from the 06, then I think I'm good for the fucking my dream bike, bro. I'm not gonna say my dream bike. You guys have to guess it down in the comments. It is okay, that's too obvious. What the fuck? I want a clue to tell you guys. It is it a 998cc? It's a 998 inline 4. Okay, that's too obvious. Like, what the fuck? Okay, let me see. 998cc inline 4, and shit, it has like 190-ish horsepower. I cannot say when it's produced because it's gonna be so obvious. I can tell you this much: the generation I like the most is produced from 2012 to 2014. That is my favorite generation. I know the new ones are better, blah blah blah. Okay, I get it. They are better, they have more electronics, they are nicer to ride, blah blah blah. But that is my absolute dream generation, and I will get it as my second bike. I'm telling you, next year or maybe a year after that, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it. I love this bike, but maybe after 1 or 2 years, I would buy myself that bike. I almost said it. I almost fucking said it, bro. Yeah, no, but I will probably buy that bike in a year or two. My dream bike, brother. My dream. Oh shit! I thought I just lost power. What the? Okay, that was scary. Because it has happened to me before when I was trying to shift once, and it just shut down. I thought I fucked the gearbox up, but it wasn't the gearbox because it started right up, and I went again, and then it shut down again like 5 times on my way home. Like 5 times in less than 7 minutes. It just shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down. So I was scared as fuck, but that was like 2 weeks ago, and it hasn't happened to me since. Okay, we're out here filming again. Let's go. These bugs, man, they're killing me. I think my tire is a bit cold now, so I need to warm up the tire a little bit, you know. Don't turn in here, please. I'm taking full on U-turn. That's a fucking dead end. Yeah, guys, so it's been a nice first day, first vlog. Thank whoever is watching. Thank you guys a lot. Like, it means a lot to me. I like content creation, you know. I want to be a content creator, you know. So I want to be a guy. But yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.